Still a lot of inflows on the investment side on the market. Again, some kind of different segments of market where there is some, I would say, some lapse, some time where investors are slightly stepping back and saying, well, what is e-commerce will be doing to the market? So, of course, people have in mind USA, in mind large malls becoming huge vacant units, and therefore they're wondering whether what happened in the US might happen in France, which is, of course, a reasonable question. We tend to say that French market is very different from US for two main reasons. One, in terms of density, the density in shopping malls in US is 4 or 5 times what we have in France. So the picture is completely different. And two, shopping malls in US are anchored by department stores, which is a format which is not the standard format for shopping centers in France. We are in France basically anchored by food. Therefore, the whole story is pretty different. So we are reasonably confident on that, but we still have a very strong focus on performance of retailers. So I think one of the big questions one has to ask is whether the retailers can continue to afford rising rents in a stable horizon of turnover. So the question we have to ask ourselves is whether the rents in the shopping centers industry, especially the medium-sized one, is sustainable in the long term.